Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to conduct an online meeting for more than 100 participants in Google Meet. First, open Google Chrome or any browser and go to google.com. Open a new tab and sign in with different Google account. In both tabs, go to meet.google.com. In the first tab, click on New Meeting. Click on Create a Meeting for later. Take a screenshot or photo of the meeting link and share it via WhatsApp or your chosen messaging app. On the second tab, type or paste the link to join the meeting using the second account. Go back to the first tab. Again, click on New Meeting, then create a meeting for later. Take a screenshot or photo of the second meeting link and share it via WhatsApp. Join the second meeting using the second account by typing the new link. Now you have two Google Meet rooms open and running together. When students start joining, switch quickly between both tabs to admit participants in both meetings. Repeat the steps with more Google accounts if you need more than 200 participants. And that's it. That's how to conduct an online meeting for more than 100 participants in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.